Being good with technology is a strong start, but training requires a different skill set. In this module, we'll look at possible career paths, choose a beginner-friendly niche, and build proof that you can teach clearly, professionally, and confidently. You've already built the core trainer foundation: confidence, voice, lesson structure, delivery, engagement, and professional readiness. Now we'll connect those capabilities to your career direction so you can position yourself clearly in the training market. If people cannot quickly understand who you help, what you teach, and why they should trust you, they hesitate. Positioning works like your trainer signboard: specific, useful, and focused. A technical trainer is not limited to one job title. The same core skill, helping people understand and apply technology, can appear in many settings. In a company, you might run structured programs for employees. As a freelancer, you may serve different clients or institutes. Online, you can teach through courses, webinars, or tutorials. In leadership roles, you may mentor teams, facilitate workshops, or support adoption of new tools. Corporate and internal trainer paths are closely related, but the audience changes. A corporate trainer may support employees, customers, partners, or new joiners, so the work often needs polished materials and consistent delivery. Internal trainers usually teach within their own team or organization, focusing on practical skills and shared processes. In both paths, success depends on planning, documentation, and engaging learners with different experience levels. This path suits people who like stable, repeatable programs. Freelance training is a path you can grow into step by step. Begin with small practice sessions, even free or low-cost ones, to build confidence and collect feedback. From there, move into community workshops, webinars, boot camps, or college sessions where learners actively practice. As your outcomes become clearer, you can charge for focused sessions. Over time, referrals, credibility, and strong client communication can lead to corporate workshops and repeat clients. Some trainer paths sit at the intersection of teaching, guidance, and influence. An online instructor packages knowledge into lessons, tutorials, and programs that can scale beyond one room. A mentor works more closely with learners, helping with decisions, projects, confidence, and direction. A technical evangelist teaches through demonstration, showing why a tool or approach matters in the real world. All three depend on clarity, consistency, and a public presence people can trust. Your first training niche should come from overlap, not pressure. Choose something you understand well enough to simplify and match it with learners who genuinely need that help. For example, teaching Git to freshers may be stronger than teaching advanced cloud architecture just because it is popular. Confidence matters because learners feel it in your examples, explanations, and practice tasks. Start narrow, serve one audience well, and let your niche expand as your teaching experience grows. A strong niche combines your expertise with evidence that learners need support. Listen where learners already ask questions: communities, LinkedIn, forums, and workplace conversations. Repeated questions reveal pain points, such as interview preparation, project blockers, tool confusion, or common mistakes. Then confirm demand through job descriptions, course platforms, and certification trends. The best choice is not always the most technical topic. It is the one connected to practical outcomes learners care about. Your positioning statement is a compact answer to 3 questions: who do you help, what do you teach, and what changes for them afterwards? Use this simple structure: I help this audience learn this topic so they can achieve this outcome. For example, I help beginner developers learn Git so they can collaborate on projects confidently. Keep it specific and practical. As your niche becomes clearer, update the statement so it reflects the trainer you are becoming. Credibility does not have to wait for years of experience. You can start creating evidence now. Record a short demo lesson. Write a clear LinkedIn explanation. Teach a small practice group. Ask learners or peers for specific feedback. Each asset answers a trust question. Can you explain? Can you structure? Can you engage? And do learners find value? Together, these small proofs make your skill visible before your resume is long. A demo lesson is one of the simplest ways to show your teaching ability. Pick a small topic you can explain in 5 to 10 minutes, such as APIs or Git commands. Create a simple outline: objective, explanation, example, and recap. Then record one clean pass without aiming for perfection. Watch it back and note one improvement, such as pacing, clarity, voice, or camera presence. Over time, these short demos become proof that you can teach clearly and keep learners engaged. Think of credibility as evidence, not a claim. Ria, a junior cloud engineer, posts one short AWS explainer each week, a definition, a diagram, or a common mistake. She teaches 2 small peer sessions, then asks for feedback on clarity, pace, usefulness, and examples. Finally, she saves screenshots, testimonials, attendance, and session summaries. Within a month, she has visible proof that she can teach, reflect, and improve. Your portfolio brings that evidence together in one place. Start with your positioning statement, who you help, what you teach, and the outcome learners can expect. Then add 2 or 3 short lesson clips, sample slides, or technical explanations. Include feedback from practice learners, brief workshop summaries, and honest reflections on what improved. Keep everything organized in one folder and update it after each mock session. Your portfolio should grow with your confidence. You now have a practical foundation for positioning yourself as a trainer. Choose the path that fits your strengths. Focus on a niche learner's need and build proof through demos, content, feedback, and small workshops. Next, Module 6 turns this into daily practice and a final mock delivery.